Alright, so this is what it looks like on my 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 with the factory windshield, no tint whatsoever. It's nice, clear, sunny day. Alright, this is around the same time of day, another bright sunny day with 40% ceramic on the windshield. It cuts down on glare a little bit. Honestly, I feel like I could have went even darker than this, maybe 30%. I feel like 20 would have been too dark, but overall I'm satisfied with it. It's really cut down on heat. So if I leave my truck sitting in the sun all day and come out to it in the afternoon, it's a whole lot cooler than it was. This is what it looks like from the outside. Like I said, honestly, I feel like I could have gone a little bit darker. Yeah, you can still see through it pretty decent. I know it's kind of sitting in the shade right now, but overall, you know, it looks pretty good. I've got 20% on the sides, so it's not too far off from matching. And we'll do a nighttime comparison next with high beams and low beams.
Low beam at night, and this is high beam. So this is about the visibility without the tint.
Alright, this is what it looks like at nighttime with 40% ceramic tint. This is on low beam. This is high beam.